Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang. Well, you might be like, another? I haven't seen an episode of that in years. Well, it's been a while. So, I got a package from Nissin Foods USA this last week. And inside, it had these new hot and spicy firewalk varieties. And this is the least hot of the three. So I figured I'd start there, let it ramp up. Here's what we got. Yeah, I'm using the old top ramen bowl that they sent me during the it's like the 50th anniversary. It says on somewhere, yeah. 50th anniversary. So if you're wondering what's in here, we got some egg, we got some chashu, we got some Naruto, we got some sesame seed, a little bit of shichimi, and some spring onion. And I've got 10 minutes. I've got to pound this like freaking fast because my daughter has school in 10 minutes. Okay? I'm going to take a quick chug of my beverage for safety's sake. Mm-hmm.
No. It's not
Alright. So it's been a while. So guys, can I get a ready, set, go?
Ready, set, go!
Alright, here I go. Cheers. Literally, this is a mukbang where I gotta go as fast as I can.
I'm not sure.
I'm not going to risk the education of my daughter over a mukbang. Although I must say, the little meaty chunks in here are quite delish. Yeah. So anyways, yeah. It's been a while since I did a mukbang. I'm trying to remember. I think the last one was, what was it called? I think it was the Devil of Fire. That beauty egg. So I'm going to chow this down as fast as I can. And then, once her school is done for the day, I'm going to, what do you call it? Do apartment labs. So, and then I'm probably going to have to go to the store afterwards, after my wife arrives home. So, hopefully 3 hours of walking back and forth in here crazily, and then I'll walk to the store and back. We'll burn this off. Now, the question, of course, is the heat. How hot is it? Not extremely, but it's good. I enjoyed this. I walked early this morning. I've already got 10 miles for the day. So by the end, I'm hoping once all's said and done, I'll get at least 15, if not closer to 20 miles for the day. That's about 40,000, 35 to 40,000 steps. This is good. This is actually really good. I'm quite impressed. I've seen some articles come out this past week that have been giving me fits. Like somebody saying these are the best 5 instant noodles I've tried. And they were like all domestic, all boring. They're all getting really bad. Well, as far as spiciness, this I can tackle. I think most people can. I gotta say, these little meat nuggets are great. Alright. Oh, it's closer to 1 o'clock. Time for school for you. And that's it for me then. So thank you for watching. I'll do another one of these sometime soon with the next hotter and then the final hottest. I'm feeling it. There's some heat. Thank you for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. Enjoyment of your noodles.
Every day.
Have a good one.